Hello, my darlings. Happy Sunday. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. Today, I got 2 thrift flips and 9 DIYs for you. I got this beautiful bench from thrift store and I'm gonna spray paint it. After spray painting, that's how it came out. To decorate my bench, I'm gonna do some DIYs. I'm recycling a couple of metal cans. On some of them, I'm using a pink shell folk art paint, and on some of them, I'm using a yellow and a concrete, mixture of yellow and concrete. I'm just using a sponge brush and dabbing it, going all over the cans. And I think they came out very good. Now I'm using a couple of cutouts for Easter. I got those cutouts from last year for my Easter decoration, and I'm just gonna decoupage them with a Mod Podge, going all over using the roller. Make sure they're all sticking well on my cans. Just using the Mod Podge, and very simple and very easy. And look how pretty they look, vintage looking, beautiful decoration for our upcoming Easter. On top of my cans, I'm adding a lace ribbon from Dollar Tree, just for extra detail and make it look like a shabby chic vintage look. I am also adding a clear wax all over my cans so the paint can be sealed, just like so. And I am really loving the colors, especially the yellow ones with the concrete, and look how beautiful they look on my bench. You're gonna see at the final reveal all that choices that I put on, and I think you'll be amazed. Today I'm happy that I'm part of Refirbished Love for Easter, hosted by my 2 friends, Buffie and Lon. Buffie from Buffie Designs and Lon from Living Life with Lon. If you haven't visited their channel, please do so. They're both amazing, talented ladies, and you're not gonna be disappointed. So much beautiful home decor in their channels. Along, we are having an amazing playlist with so much inspirations and so much talent. All that on my description box. Now let's get back to my projects. I'm using this fence from Dollar Tree, painted with a pink shell, and I'm gonna use this stand from thrift store. Not doing anything to the stand, I'm just adding the fence and it's ready to be decorated. And I'm just adding the cans and some planters just to see how it's gonna be, but you guys gonna see at the end. Now for more decorations, I'm using these wooden bunny cutouts from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna decoupage them with these beautiful doilies that I got from my local store. And look at this beautiful paper. Those doilies were meant for a cake, but I'm using them for decoupage. I use a Mod Podge, and now I'm using just a lighter to cut out the edges of my bunnies. I also added mini pom-poms for their tails, and that's it. Another 2 bunnies, I paint them out pink, and now I'm making some bow. When the bows are ready, I put 2 pink bows on the decoupage bunny and 2 lace bows on the pink bunnies. And now I'm gonna put them in this beautiful sign. I'm gonna put them on the clothes pins, but I only need 2 spins on each row for the bunnies. Next, since I didn't want to do anything on the lettering on the sign because I want to use it after Easter, so I just cover it with this beautiful Easter market sign from Dollar Tree. I added the bunnies, and that's it for this DIY. You gotta let me know what do you think. I'm really loving it. For the next project, we're gonna decoupage this sign egg from Dollar Tree, and I'm using the same doilies that I use on the mini bunnies. So I'm just using a Mod Podge, and I'm just decoupaging. Since it's not large enough one piece, I'm adding an extra little piece cut out on the bottom, and it's not noticeable. And after the Mod Podge is done, I cut out the edges, and now I'm adding one of those bunnies also from Dollar Tree, And that's it for this beautiful sign. Now I have this beautiful lace ribbon, and I'm just gonna make just a simple bow, just to get that extra shabby chic look for Easter. And I like the combination of this black and white, lilac, gray, lace. You gotta let me know, what do you think for my today's projects? I really had fun creating all of them. And look at this beautiful sign, also from Dollar Tree. I'm not doing anything to this sign except I'm making another bow with this ribbon that I have. Just a simple bow, put it on the top just to get that high-end look. Just rolling the edges of the bow so you can see the sign. And that's it for this sign. For the next sign, I'm just trying to get rid of all that paper on the top, but I need the frame, wooden frame cutouts. So I'm just going all over just to get rid of it, and I don't want to damage anything since I need the frame, just to get rid of the paper. And it went very smoothly, just like so. Now, when all that is clean and done, I'm gonna be adding this pink material, also from Dollar Tree. After I measure it and I cut it out, I'm gonna use my staple gun and make sure that that material is softened around the sign. And next, I'm gonna use this wooden egg cutout. I'm painting it black, and also the parts from the frame from that sign, I'm painting them black as well. So now when they're all dry, I'm putting them back together on my sign, just like so. Adding the egg cutout in the middle. And next, I made a simple lace bow, also this ribbon from Dollar Tree. Cut out the edges. Also, I added a detail from Totally Dazzled brooch, and that's it for that sign. You gotta let me know, what do you think? I made couple of options for this place. I also put my last year DIYs that I did for Easter, just so you can see how beautiful it's gonna look for Easter. And look at all those beautiful pieces together with my stand, thrifted flip stand with a garden frame, and with the beautiful signs that I made today, and the planters with the greeneries and the bunnies, garlands, eggs, anything you like you can find. I made couple of different options. Here are the signs that I made. I'm really loving them, how they all came out. You gotta let me know, what do you think? And before I let you go to enjoy my video, my final reveal, you will have couple of options to see and how beautiful it looks. And you gotta let me know, what do you think, how well I did today. And before I let you go, don't forget to check out the links in my description box with Buffie, Lawn, and the amazing playlist with my creators friends. Buffie and Lawn, thank you so much for having me in this amazing playlist this month again. And my darlings, until 6 p.m. today, because we have another amazing video coming up, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye!